Hello everyone, greetings to all on this auspicious day. On behalf of Bhartim International School and Carmine Vincian House, I, Nikhil Thareja, welcome you all in a special assembly for Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr, or Festival of Breaking the Fast, celebrated by Muslim community worldwide. A festival which is celebrated at the end of the holy month of Ramadan, in which Muslims fast for a whole month. As this COVID 19 virus has affected all of us and our celebrations, we urge you to stay at home, avoid social gatherings, wear masks, and use sanitizer. We are eagerly waiting for our students to come up with good health in near future. Till then, stay safe and Eid Mubarak.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Vincian, and now I am going to recite Omkar. So join your hands, close your eyes, and start Omkar. सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Thank you.
Take pledge position. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India's well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Myself Siddhi Chabra. I study in class 6A. So today I am going to tell you the thought of the day. The thought is lost time is never found again. गुजरा हुआ वक्त कभी वापस नहीं आता. Everybody knows that time is very precious. We can earn the money we have spent, but we cannot get back the time we have lost. So whatever you want to do it now. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Samar Srivastav and I study in class 10th A and I am going to perform a song on Eid. जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा है यारों. जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा है यारों. जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा है यारों. मैं नहीं कहता किताबों में लिखा है यारों. जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा है यारों. हाँ खुदा है यारों. हम तो क्या है हम तो क्या है वो फरिश्तों को आजमाता है. हमको क्या है वो फरिश्तों को आजमाता है, बनाकर हमको मिटाता है फिर बनाता है। आदमी टूट के हो, आदमी टूट के 100 बार जुड़ा है यारो, जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा है यारो, जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा है यारो, हाँ खुदा है यारो।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम अस्सलाम, ईद का है यारो ये प्यार। हाय अस्सलाम वालेकुम अस्सलाम, ईद का है यारो ये प्याम। ये ईद का त्योहार है, खुशियों का है त्योहार। ये ईद का त्योहार है, खुशियों का है त्योहार। ना तेरा है ना मेरा है, ये सबका है त्योहार। ये प्यार का पैगाम है, ये प्यार का पैगाम। मुबारक ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक। चाहे वो रहमान हो या भाई अपना नाम, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबको है सलाम।
प्यार ही आगाज हो और प्यार ही अंजाम, खुशियों के इस मौसम की कभी ना आए शाम।
ये ईद का त्योहार है, खुशियों का है त्योहार। ना तेरा है ना मेरा है, ये सबका है त्योहार। ये प्यार का पैगाम है, ये प्यार का पैगाम। मुबारक ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक, हाय मुबारक ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक।
Good morning, everyone. Today, Aitan Shukla of class 9B is here to deliver a speech on Eid. Eid is one of the most important festivals celebrated by Muslims all around the world. One is Eid al-Fitr or Eid, and the other is Eid al-Adha or Bakri. Eid al-Fitr is marked as the end of the month of Ramadan. Ramadan is the holy month of fasting for Muslims. It is the ninth month in the Muslim calendar. After the completion of the month, when the new moon is seen, the celebration of Eid begins to start. And on the other hand, Eid al-Adha or Bakri Eid is marked as the festival of sacrifice for Muslims. After the special prayers of Eid, the sacrifice is done. On the day of Eid, Muslims dress up in new clothes and go to Eidgah or mosque for special prayers. They offer special prayers for peace and prosperity of all. After the prayers, they wish each another by saying Eid Mubarak and show their love and affection for one another. And on the day of Eid, the Muslim people visit their families and relatives' home and share gifts with one another. On the day of Eid, the special dishes like sheer korma, biryani, sevai and kheer are prepared and served among the family. Thank you and have a nice day.
Greetings of the day, everyone. My name is Arnav Dhiman. The student of class 7B is here to play national anthem on piano. So let's start.